Yes. Okay, here we go.
What is that?
Oh, my.
Up on the stairs. Come on, this is snow, buddy. A lot of snow.
Oh my God. Oh, jeez. Oh,
Stair.
stair.
He's like, my pecker's cold. He doesn't like this much snow. Come on. Stair. Last stair. Now he wants to come back in, and that's not a good thing.